Good evening. All this hubbub about the iPhone 7 not having a headphone jack is not that big of a deal. Here's my iPad Pro, and then here you have a Lightning to female USB adapter. Plug that into the USB on the Sony silver wired headset, which has a built-in DAC. Plug that into here. Plug this into the iPad or the iPhone 7. You now have a DAC and a set of headphones. But wait, there's more. The DAC on the Sony Silver headset is removable. You can plug any 3.5mm headset or earbuds into it and still get it to work. So, unlike the Audi's Lightning headphones, which are $800, I think I paid $26 for these on Amazon or eBay, I'm not sure which. Hang on a second and I'll unpack it and show it to you. I'll be right back. Okay, and now we're back. As you can see, here is the Sony Silver headset, and I have the microphone flipped out. That flips in and out thusly. Here is your USB DAC, digital to analog converter. Right there you can see the 3.5mm socket to plug this headset or any other headset you like in. I've tested it. It works flawlessly. I've tried it with other DACs like the Astro A40 mix amp and the DSS Earforce, and unfortunately those two did not get enough power from the iPad's Lightning port, or that's what I assume is the problem. It may be something else, but this beautiful little thing works perfectly. And I believe Audio-Technica makes something like this as well for about $12 or $14 on Amazon. So, stop panicking that there's no headphone jack on the new iPhone, and just get something like this. I'll try and put the link to the Audio-Technica DAC in the description, though that one I have no knowledge whether it will work or not. This one I know works for sure. So, have a great night. Bye for now. Onagi Wahi.